If your back pain won't go away, your diet might be keeping you stuck. Most people, they focus on stretching, posture, or certain treatments, which those are great. But what you eat plays a massive role in pain and inflammation. The biggest mistake? Eating foods that fuel inflammation without you even realizing it. Things like sugar, dairy, grains like wheat and gluten, and processed foods. They don't always cause immediate pain, but over time they build up like a slow burning fire. That fire can lead to chronic pain, stiff joints, and even conditions like arthritis, tendonitis, bursitis. Now, here's how you fix it. First, cut back on inflammatory foods. You don't have to eliminate them all overnight, but reducing sugar, reducing processed grains and dairy, that can make a huge difference. Number two, load up on anti-inflammatory foods. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids. There's leafy greens like collards, kale, spinach, romaine, and arugula, my personal favorite. There's nuts and seeds and berries. These are all excellent anti-inflammatory options and help support tissue repair, including with back pain. Number three, get enough protein and key vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and magnesium. Your spine and muscles need protein to heal. So include things like organic, free range, chicken, grass-fed beef, salmon, eggs, and beans. Vitamin C, it's essential for collagen production. So citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, they're great for that. Magnesium, again, plays a huge role in muscle function and relaxation. So nuts and seeds, especially almonds and pumpkin seeds. Leafy green vegetables, like the ones I mentioned previously, excellent sources of magnesium. And finally, stay hydrated. Dehydration makes everything worse, including back pain and recovering from back pain. So you want to shoot for drinking half of your body weight in ounces every day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, let's say, that's 75 ounces you want to drink every day. Your spine, discs, joints, and muscles, they need it to strengthen and recover. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges, those can help too. If your back pain keeps dragging on, don't just look at your posture, although that's important. You want to look at your plate. Small changes add up and your body will definitely feel the difference. And if you want a simple guide that makes nutrition simple and gives you healthy swaps for everyday foods, type SWAP in the comments and I'll make sure I send that guide to you. And as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.